Hi there and welcome to ChopChopChef. Today I would love to share with you my recipe for a sweet potato puree, sweet potato mash. Yeah. Now there's obviously different versions on the market either of this one is good. You can roast this sweet potato. Yeah, so you put it in the oven by 220 degrees till it is tender, and then you peel them, and then you take the pulp and mash it. But this one takes probably nearly 45 minutes to an hour. I make a quicker version today. I will peel the potatoes, be putting them in a stock, boil it or simmer it, and then we make our mash. Okay, first thing first, obviously sweet potato. Nice, we peel them all nicely, and then we cut them in nice sort of equal pieces. So obviously they all have to be cooked very well done before we smash it. Here we go. I just do this one, and then I have to do the other ones obviously. Zack, zack, zack. So that is one thing done here. Of course, all the smash goes in our bowl here. That's it. Here we go. Always make sure when you have sort of a little bit uneven things on the chopping board, make sure the product sits solid, so you have a good grip to it. And if it's like a big thing like this, you cut it anyway, cut it in smaller pieces, bang, have a solid ground, you know, that's how it goes. Look at that. Zack, zack, zack. And then yes, we're cutting sort of pieces like that. That's what we want to do. Yeah, and they're all going in a pot. So very easy. Okay, so I will do this with all our potatoes, because again, I have a few guests coming today. I need a little bit more. See you shortly. Okay, we're nearly there, Zack, zack, zack. Okay, now what we do next? Yeah, now this is a little, again, sort of my secret to you. Now we're coming over here. Of course we need water, we have to boil this one, right? So what I have done this morning, again, like I said many times, I've done my own vegetable stock. So this one is the base. You know, have a look, you see all the ginger peelings, parsley, stalks, you know, all sorts of things are in here. So this is that. We need a little bit more water. So instead of using just plain water, we already kind of infusing our sweet potato with a great vegetable stock, right? Yes, okay, if you don't have the vegetable stock, right, which is very unlikely if you have a household, because you always have scraps of vegetables. Remember, as I said to you before, always keep these scraps, you know, the carrot peelings, the ginger peelings, a little bit tomatoes, whatever is, some herbs, doesn't matter. And then I make my own vegetable stock. So that's what I created here today. Again, if you don't have it, okay, put water in it, salt, and off we go. Now this one will cook for easy 15 to 20 minutes till all our sweet potatoes are really well done. Yeah. So, but I don't put any salt in here because my vegetable stock has already all these beautiful flavors to it. Yeah. Okay. I guess we see us in 15-20 minutes and we continue. So simple. Our sweet potatoes, they are now boiling for 17 minutes. Let's have a quick look if they are obviously nice and tender. That's the main thing, right? So they have to be definitely well cooked. Yeah. Now we just take one out, and if you just take the back of a knife, oh, very easy, right? Look at that, beautiful, right? So they're just nicely done. And remember, all the liquid in here is nicely our vegetable stock. Yeah, beautiful. So the potatoes really got infused with all this goodies from our leftovers. from the peelings and so on, right? From the vegetables. All right, now we got this one. Obviously we want to drain now the liquid, but again, we keep everything. So we try to drain as much as we can. There's just a tiny thing left. Okay, we have a look in here. Yeah, so we have a little bit liquid left there, not too much. Yeah, which is perfect to start off with. Okay, what we do next? Okay, obviously we have to puree it, right? So I have this little potato masher here. You can use just a normal potato masher. You can use the potato press. Different variations. Of course, depends of the device what you use. As more coarse or more finer, the whole puree goes, right? But let's start off with this one here. Let's see if that works. Beautiful. If you come over here, so you have a look. You see the potatoes get pressed out through our perforated insert here. So that's just a cool thing to do. And as we have a little bit liquid left underneath, makes it nice and smooth. Oh man, they smell so nice. Unfortunately, you can't smell it, isn't it? Yeah, well, okay. Now, obviously, this is still a very thick puree. Now, I like to have mine a little bit thinner, so that's why I have kept, obviously, this liquid here, right? So now I put sort of a ladle in. Not too much, yeah? We don't want to have it running. But I want to work it with a little bit more. Okay, so we continue. Okay, right, yeah, this will be very good. What's next? Now next we put, obviously, butter is always important for us, right? Fresh butter. Let's get this knife quickly. Okay, butter, very important. Yeah, 1 flop, 2, 3. Butter is good for your heart. Here we go. And now don't be too shy. Bang, bang, bang. And at the same time, we're starting off with 2 good soup spoons of sour cream. Yeah, don't be too shy. Yeah, here we go. And we continue blending it. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. Looking good, looking good. Yes, my customers will be very happy. By the way, my customers is just my family, right? Okay. All right, we got a nice, beautiful, smooth. Now we have to taste it. Okay, now we can season it accordingly. Yes, I just put a little bit of cracked pepper in there. Zack, a little bit of salt. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. And just let's put a little bit more of the sour cream in here, and then we're there. Okay, last final thing. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's have a quick look how the consistency is on this one. Yeah, so you see, nice and smooth here. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, all right, so in a minute we just do a presentation, and the final last hurrah. One moment. So nice and something different. All right, our beautiful sweet potato mash, sweet potato puree, so nice. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so what we do, we just take a decent spoon right? A lot of people doing like that, and then they take the back of the spoon, make a little bit of a thing like this. Yeah, easy done. And then we're putting a little bit of a chicken breast here. Yeah, freshly done. Zack, zack, zack. And then, believe it or not, what I prepared earlier, we have today beautiful Brussels sprouts. Yes, with bacon. And this whole thing, we put a little bit of mixed herbs in it, a little bit of cracked pepper on the side, and last but not least, a little bit of olive oil over our sweet potato puree. And ladies and gentlemen, and again for you, not the chicken, not the Brussels sprouts, but the sweet potato puree. And hopefully this works out for you as good as it was for me today. It's really, really yummy and so simple. Alright, see you next time. Thank you very much for watching.